Hello everyone, and welcome to today's Yin Yoga class for your spine. So come to a seated position. Yin is a journey into surrender. So with each breath out, feel into that quality of surrender, of letting go. And take a breath in, and as you exhale, return to center. Feel free to give the legs a stretch and a shake. And to release the spine here, bring your feet together. Place your palms to your ankles and inhale to lift the chest. When we relax the musculature, the fascia, and the connective tissue system, then feels the benefit. And through gentle pressure and gentle traction, we can stimulate the health of the connective tissue system. Breathe in to lift the heart center forwards, tilt the sit bones back. And as you breathe out, slow motion round through your spine, press the floor away. Breathe in to arch. Lift the chest, lift the tailbone, and anteriorly tilt the pelvis. And as you exhale, round, posterior tilt of the pelvis, so lengthen the tailbone towards the heels. Eckhart Tolle mentions, by knowing yourself as the awareness in which phenomenal existence happens, you become free of dependency on phenomena, and also free of self-seeking in situations, places, and conditions. In other words, what happens or doesn't happen is not that important anymore. Things lose their heaviness, their seriousness, and a playfulness comes into your life. You recognize this world as a cosmic dance, the dance of form, no more and no less. And I love this quote as it reminds me in my practice, but also off the mat, to come back home to the awareness, the consciousness that I am at the very heart of my experience. We can become so caught up in information and, in many ways, conceptual ideas, that when we come home to ourself and the stillness that this practice can bring over time and with continual practice, we come to know a vibrantly alive sense of peace, a space, knowing ourselves as that awareness or that presence that is experiencing it all. So instead of believing that the thoughts are us, we see our thoughts as information or conversations passing through. One of my teachers mentioned that you are not the voice in your mind, but actually you are the one who is listening to it. And so in order for our thoughts to be heard, there must be somebody listening to them. And it's the beingness, the presence, the consciousness that we are. And one more deep breath in. Exhale to fold forwards. Namaste. Namaste, everyone. Have a wonderful rest of your day.